Nestled in the heart of Nigeria's scenic plateau state lies the vibrant city of Jos, a land rich in history and hidden treasures. Among its many secrets is a fascinating discovery made by two brothers that has captured the imagination of all who hear it.
So, we're live in J City. Yeah, beautiful. What's it called?
Landscape.
Have mad landscape around. So, we want to try these mountains and see what's up. There's a python there inside. We'll have to catch python. Who they go? Oh my God, this python now, wow. We have
It was a day like any other when the Conje brothers set out on a journey that would change their lives forever. Little did they know, the land they walked on held a mystical relic waiting to be uncovered. Their path led them to a peculiar spot where an ancient serpent-shaped rock lay hidden from the world.
That's it. Not be everything we go trespass.
You get somewhere God do for you to see.
This one now suppose just look am, admire am.
You know, say
you want call.
You know, say you get two terminals of rock. The visible and the invisible.
Now make one a rock of ages.
And the other na on the solid rock I stand.
Yes.
You get rock of ages and the solid rock I stand. That one, that's the rock I stand now. God do that for toes to stand. He said, my toes is the stepping feet of the earth.
You understand?
So now, you stand for that one, then the one will be rock of ages now for you to the look.
Now,
yes.
Yes. Now that rock, now that place then say some challenges now stepping stone. You want to be correct.
You know, say you don't fit see God and you don't fit climb on top God.
Yeah.
Now why would they call her
rock of ages? So you see this rock. This rock there, carefully crafted by. Yes. Okay. Then we never create. You know what? See, we done there before. We'll come back again. So this thing that time they tie leaves.
The pants. Nobody like normal pants.
No,
leaf pants.
They use leaf pants. That time.
Yes.
So we now dey house. Grand condition.
Our history.
Now we run out. Everybody has to reach. We just see as dust. They come out from ground. Dust they come out from ground. Now just if you check, see that place, 10 commandments. So as we dey now, because that time they use lights. They send signal.
You see how sun they close to me directly.
They can't light up. The flame. The next one light up. The next one light up. 9 Father Augustus. That time only get lion skin when they wear. So as him do the now he craft them. Don't be Moses own be that oh.
Okay, you know the funny thing about that thing.
Moses,
you know that period where we say war. You know that period where we say war day.
Moses time don't
that's a war day. Maybe they fight for war. After their Moses and Father Augustus don't do this thing now. You don't hear the story of when Christ is day where some women they carry their baby come hide for one rock where form after he come up from ground. And the rock be this. It gets shade. If cold day, this place they warm people. If
honestly,
cold day, they warm.
If cold day, you dey under here like this.
This rock where you see like this now, it has a very, very deep significance.
Bye.
Okay, bye. You see that Nigeria goalkeeper head? Look this rock.
Yes.
I said, I did not fall.
And now one bali head with this
na
now.
wetin make him save us.
Now here they dedicate one bali after they burn am.
See, you know that I will look up to the hill. You understand? From whence cometh my help. So now so you go dey like this, they look up
Baba,
to the hill.
you don't know why one bali go
Understand?
hold ball
So-
with confidence. When one bali mother corner for Port Harcourt, they
They are wrong.
come dedicate am to the rock, mini rock of ages. God, see sun no far from us.
This
If you
was
look at
no
as
ordinary
let's say just
stone.
go. But
This
here oh, they will
was the
sweat.
legendary
See the
python
brother?
stone,
Yes, because
lost
see, it
to
help
time
them.
and myth.
You know, it normalize weather.
They antagonize weather.
It antagonize weather. So if you enter under there when cold day,
You go sweat.
you go sweat.
And if you dey sweat when cold dey, cold go worry.
If as heat dey now, if you go there, they are cold.
People dey think say one about the dive,
But
they
you
dive,
now,
they dive, they
you know
dive.
why you no fit go there? There are there are things you haven't
You
done.
dey stay. Me I fit
Yes.
go come now.
You get
But-
what you're supposed to do.
Yes. If we do
Get
am
it
now,
like do now.
if we do am now, when we come out, you go wan go do as we do.
And you go
Because-
be like say that we push you go.
Yes, you know this Gen Z now waiting then see, then go
You
on.
don't hear that talk? Few, many are called.
Few
See
are
now I
chosen.
go there, come outside. Everything dies. So now what I want to tell you about this rock is the significance of this rock. The olden days when war dey happen. Na this rock, the plateau people they come hide. That year so.
Yeah, see space on now.
Yes, nah.
If you check on now, flat dey down where people dey stay.
See, we no fit show you
We no fit show you everything.
this view that time. Water be in the here. That no time. Water be in the here. Now back of this hill and do.
It's called the.
Okay, back of this is
It is called
If
the
you look where you go
Rominous
see
water.
pillar there.
yeah. Now part of the tools we use.
This pillar, now where this guy Jacob hold angel leg.
Say I will never let
I
you
will
go.
never let you
Let you
go unless you bless me. Now altar. That-
Okay.
Wow.
Now
So
make
this
I
is
tell
a
you
lot of
why
people-
here get shade. You remember when Moses come up from Egypt before he go the promised land? Good. You know say in the one side they sleep. Nine burning bush call.
Yes.
You see say leave no dey this grass.
You understand, Abi?
You see say leave. In there under here they sleep.
Because they are
Now
chill.
there fire
Now,
catch
fire
her.
catch. Green grass, so you never don't be dry.
Till today grass no fit grow for here.
And you know wetin boss people head. And because see, everywhere hot, now making go sleep under there.
Under that place make it find
So now
cold
the
place.
only thing we feel wake am because God don dey call am
Nah,
Moses,
hot
Moses,
fire.
Moses, sleep don carry am. You know
Nah.
when they sleep for your cool.
Well,
Moses, as the fire blows,
Boom! Now that hotness now
fear catch am because
What did it stop?
you understand that kind of thing.
I say calm down my son.
it is that beginning also.
Yes, I have a message
they
for
can
you.
tell
It's not like,
Even the 10 commandments when you write, you they tell you write on top with rock.
bro.
You don dey get am, Abi?
On top with it.
Rock.
So waiting we do on top so.
Yeah, so bro.
So why is it called the rock of?
Ages.
You know why I don't want to show you Moses 10 commandments?
No charm, no charm.
Yes, I know. But you know why I don't want to show you Moses 10 commandments? If I show you, you go sell am, use the money buy BTC.
All these Gen Z boys.
That's all.
Alright, you don't show more they go. No do mistake climb here.
No climb this place.
The discovery of the Python stone not only shed light on the ancient civilization that once thrived in this region, but also sparked a renewed interest in preserving and celebrating Nigeria's diverse cultural heritage.